How you doing, ma'am?
Good, how are you?
Oh, I'm not too bad. Hey, I want to be honest. The employees here.
Who?
The employees here. They
Employee
called
of
me
who?
they're concerned for you.
Who is?
The employees.
General?
Huh?
The general?
So they think you
what's
might be
the
under
problem?
the influence of something or intoxicated. Is that the case?
No.
Okay.
And why would you ask? Because I was just at the pharmacy.
Okay.
They're backed up in their line. My prescriptions are in my
Okay.
cart.
Okay.
Thank you for asking.
How
are
I have
you?
no idea. I'm not too bad. How are you, ma'am?
Okay.
If you don't mind me asking, can we step outside and have this discussion?
Yeah, but
Because
I'm bringing Ro with me, my daughter.
is that your daughter?
Oh, yeah.
That's perfectly fine. Yeah.
We're just having a girls' day.
Okay. All right. Well, I just want to have. I got you. Well, let's talk outside and we'll let you go back to shopping. Okay? Where's your daughter at?
She's probably looking at this stuff. Come on, Ro, let's go.
How'd you get here today? You drove? Okay.
I didn't drive over anyone's mailbox.
Oh, I know. I understand. I'm just curious. Which one's your vehicle?
My vehicle?
Huh?
You know which vehicle is mine?
I have no idea, man. This is the first time I've ever spoken to you.
Yeah. You don't know who I am, really?
I have no idea, ma'am. So, I don't want to do this in front of your daughter. That's why I want to speak to you alone. Talk to you like this, right? I'm not here
You
to.
can talk to me in front of my daughter.
Well, I'm not here to air out your business,
Well,
right?
I'm gonna turn the radio down, but I need you to sit in the car.
Okay. Well, if we do that, I'm gonna need you to take the keys out. Because right now I'm seeing a blunt right there. Okay. I'm seeing a-
Do you buy those from every single gas station? That's illegal?
Okay. Well, I'm gonna. From my personal experience, that looks like a blunt. Okay. I'm not.
blunt,
Listen.
a blunt.
I'm not here to give you a hard time. Okay. I'm just trying to figure out what's going on. But I'm gonna need you to turn the ignition off. Or at least turn it down. So what's your name, man?
DJ Weezy with that hump day back
Yeah,
in
go
the
ahead.
basement,
What's your name?
bitch. Way to go, man.
Raquel
Raquel. What's your last name?
Jennings.
Okay. Do you have a license?
Yeah, I do.
Okay. Do you mind if I take a look at that?
If I knew where my purse was.
If your purse is not one of those.
If my phone wasn't dead, I could show you my license. You
Okay.
don't-
What's your date of birth?
Well, if you're recording me, then you're just trying to make me say some weirdo.
I'm not, ma'am, but as of right now, it seems like you might be under the influence of something, or
What?
maybe
Same
having
thing you are?
having some sort of medical issue.
Oh, do you have a medical issue?
I don't.
Neither do I.
Okay. So what you said? You drove here today. Okay. Where do you?
Yeah, I drove here just like everybody else.
Okay. Where do you live?
On Mars.
On Mars.
Yeah, I live on Mars.
Okay.
Don't cap with me. Don't act like you don't know who the I am. Like
I don't. This is the first time I've ever talked with you, ma'am.
Oh right.
So you didn't take anything today? You haven't been
Oh,
drinking?
my prescriptions.
Okay. What do you?
My
what,
prescriptions. I take all of my medicine.
Okay.
Okay.
What
Shut the fuck up.
what prescriptions do you take?
Go ask CVS and Target.
Well, obviously they're not going to give you that information.
Okay. Well then get the f out of my face.
Well, there's no need to be unpleasant
Okay,
with
then
me,
I'm
ma'am.
gonna go ahead and leave. Thank
If you leave, I'm gonna pull you over because right now I think you are under the influence of something.
Of what?
Right now we can do this. I can rip you out of this car and put you in handcuffs,
Oh.
and I do not want to do that in front of your daughter. Put the
Yeah.
car back in park.
Oh, big
Put the
job.
car back in park.
Oh, I put it.
Put the car back in park.
For what?
Put
What
the
are you
car.
gonna do for me?
Put the car in park.
Says who?
I'm telling you right now, ma'am. I am giving you a lawful order
From who?
from me. Right now,
Who
I
are
will
you?
rip you out of this car, ma'am. Do not
And
test
do
me.
what? You're gonna tase me?
Never said
In front of
that.
my daughter?
Listen, I'm trying to be as pleasant with you as I can. But right now, I think you're under the influence of something.
My medications,
So here's the thing.
mother.
If you talk with me, this can go a completely different route than it's about to go.
Well,
Do you understand that? Put the
I'm
car in
talking
park.
To you.
Put the car in
Okay, I'll
park.
put it in park.
Step out of the vehicle.
No.
Step out of the vehicle.
For what?
Step out of the vehicle.
For
Step
what?
out of the vehicle or I will remove you from the vehicle.
For what? Though?
Step out of the vehicle
Okay,
before I
fine,
remove you in the
let's
vehicle.
go. We gotta
No,
go
she's
shop.
going to sit in the car.
The child's going to remain in the